Hi everyone, now I want to tell you about Polkadot. Polkadot is the developers of a blockchain network designed to simplify the exchange of digital assets with lower fees than the other blockchain networks. The technology works to enable blockchains to communicate between each other. It allows for predictability and interoperability amongst blockchains and introduced a share security model that allows developers to focus on technology. Polkadot's network is capable of spreading transactions across multiple parallel blockchains to enable high throughput necessary to reach similar transaction processing capacity of centralized payment processors. As well, Polkadot is a network's protocol that allows arbitrary data, not just assets or tokens, to be transferred across blockchains to offer a multi chain application environment where cross-chain registers and cross-chain uh, competition are possible. This interoperability is intended to allow for scalability through the creation of a general environment for multiple state machine. Further, Polkadot is known as a level 0 meta protocol because it underlines and describes a format for a networks of level 1 blockchains. As a meta protocol, it also offers autonomous and forkless updating of its own code base through on-chain governance based on the token holders community of Polkadot. Polkadot was initially developed through a contractual agreement between Web3 Foundation and Parity Technologies, in which Parity Technologies was contracted to build the first implementation of the Polkadot protocol. Since then, Web3 Foundation continued to manage the Polkadot project, but it is an open source project working to foster a decentralized open source community to continue to develop the project. Web3 Foundation employs some researchers and community administration for the development of the platform, including consensus mechanism and decentralized messages expert. The Web3 Foundation has stated in it uses a substantial amount of the profit from the sale of the DOT token to finance the development of Web3 technologies, which includes Polkadot. To continue developing the project, the Web3 Foundation has a software development agreement with Parity Technologies. Under this agreement, Parity Technologies conducts research and development on the Polkadot platform. Polkadot is a network protocol that allows arbitrary data and token to be transferred across blockchain. It's built to be a scalable interoperable and secure network that can further enable Web3. The network is a multi-chain environment where cross-chain registers and cross-chain computation are intended to be enable. Further, Polkadot is built to transfer data across public open permission blockchains and across private permission blockchain. This is to allow users to build applications that can take permissioned data and use it on public blockchain. Uh, to do this, Polkadot unites a network of heterogeneous blockchains called parachains and parathers. This connect to and are secure through Polkadot's relay chain and can connect to external network through bridges. The protocol is also designed to be energy efficient. To do this, Polkadot uses a nominated proof of stake model that is intended to use a fraction of energy of a conventional proof of work mechanism, with Polkadot suggesting the model has the lowest carbon footprint among analyzed proof of stake protocols. Uh, Parachains could be through of as similar as the cores of a computer's processor, with each core capable of running one process at a time. These parachains and parathers are responsible for most of the computation across the Polkadot network, with a network choosing specific parachain or parathet implementation to handle specific use cases. Polkadot places not concentrates on what the parachains can do, other than having to be able to prove the can be validated, which in turn verified the state transition on the parachain. The relay chain is responsible for the network security, consensus, and cross-chain interoperability. The relay chain is the central chain of Polkadot and is composed of the relatively small number of transaction types that include ways to interact with governance mechanism. Parachain authentication and parachain is nominated proof of stake. The relay chain has minimal functionality on propose, with the main responsibility for coordinating the system as a whole. Any specific work, such as smart contracts or NFTs, are handled by the parachain. A blockchain bridge is a connection that allows for a arbitrary data transfer between different networks. The bridge allows different chains to be interoperable, while the bridge as well can exist as a standalone chain with different protocols, rules, and governance models. In Polkadot's network, the bridge connect to relay chains and are secure through the Polkadot's consensus mechanism. These bridges are integral to Polkadot interoperable architecture, as they provide cross-chain interoperability while also offering secure communication channel for chain in isolation. Thank you for watching video. Bye.